Welcome back to my channel. Are your precious black hairs turning white too soon? Tired of chemical dyes, indigo, and false promises? Today, I'll reveal 2 ancient, natural remedies, one you consume, one you apply, that can help reverse premature white hair naturally and restore your youthful black hair permanently, without side effects. And the secret? You already have most of these ingredients in your kitchen. Stay with me. The second remedy is a powerful mask made in an iron pot, the way our ancestors maintained thick, jet black hair for life. Remedy 1: Internal nutrition to stop white hair from inside. What you eat is as important as what you apply. Here's a time-tested remedy to nourish your hair from within. Ingredients: fresh curry leaves, 1/2 cup or 2 tablespoons dried. Rich in melanin-boosting nutrients. Black sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons. Famous for reversing gray hair. Kalonji, black seeds, 1 tablespoon. Strengthens hair roots. Dry amla, Indian gooseberry, 3 to 4 medium pieces. The king of vitamin C, restores natural color. Moringa powder, 1 tablespoon packed with minerals to support hair pigmentation. How to use. Take equal parts of all ingredients. Lightly roast sesame seeds and kalonji to enhance potency. Grind everything into a fine powder. Consume 1 teaspoon daily with warm water or milk. Benefits. This powerful blend boosts melanin, repairs hair roots, and supplies your body with essential minerals and antioxidants that help bring back your natural black hair over time. Remedy 2: DIY hair mask made in iron pot, turns white hair black naturally. The iron pot isn't just for tradition, it infuses iron into your remedy, known to improve hair color and strength naturally. Ingredients and quantities: fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon. Dry amla 3 to 4 medium pieces, or 2 tablespoons powder. Curry leaves 1/2 cup, fresh, or 2 tablespoons. Dried, Bhringraj powder 2 tablespoons. Turmeric 1/2 teaspoon. Cloves 5 to 6 pieces. Kalonji, black seeds, 1 tablespoon. Black tea 2 tablespoons. Roasted pomegranate peel 2 tablespoons. Roasted walnut shell, broken pieces, 2 tablespoons. Water 2 to 3 cups. How to prepare. Keycap 1 first. Roast the pomegranate peel and walnut shell on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. This enhances their color-releasing properties and effectiveness. Keycap 2 in an iron pot. Add 2 to 3 cups water and black tea, boil for 5 minutes. Keycap 3 add the roasted pomegranate peel and roasted walnut shell, simmer for another 10 minutes. Keycap 4 add all remaining ingredients, fenugreek, dry amla, curry leaves, cloves, kalonji, Bhringraj powder, turmeric. Keycap 5 let everything simmer until water reduces and forms a thick, color-rich paste. Keycap 6 allow to cool completely before use. Application. Apply generously to scalp and entire hair length. Leave for 1 hour, then rinse with mild, chemical-free shampoo. Repeat twice a week for visible, long-term results. Both these remedies are designed to work together, nourish your hair from within and repair from the outside. No need for harmful dyes or indigo. This is nature's way to restore youthful, healthy, black hair. Try these remedies for a few weeks and watch your hair transform naturally. Have you tried any of these before? Tell us your experience in the comments. For more powerful, natural hair solutions, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.